Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. Today we are doing spider gel. Look at this sticky stuff. Today we have a guest. We've got to do some nail prep. We're going to push back the cuticles and buff, and then we're going to put on some tips. Alright, so now that we've got that prep done, we've got the base coat on, we've got us some tips picked out, we are going to use this nail glue gel to adhere them. We've got us a little flash curing lamp, so we can do one at a time. Okay, now that we've got those, we are going to cut them down just a smidge. More base coat. Alright, now that we've got that part done, we're going to go in with this Roslyn gel polish. It's kind of a light pink in the shade C018. It's in the nude family. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Alright, now that we have that part done, it is time for the fun part, the spider gel. I've never done spider gel before, but we gonna learn today. Okay, so I've got my little my pot here. I've got this dotting tool with a very small dot, and that's what we're gonna use to make our strings, in theory. Maybe I do need to peel this lid back more. Alright, so we have some, and we're gonna just get that hair out of here. Doo-doo. Okay, so I'd say we've got some on there. Alright, let's try not to mess that up while we work on this side. I'm gonna let that string a little bit. It's getting sticky. We need less. There we go. Pardon for not all the chat, but I have to concentrate. Looking real fly, if I do say so myself. We are going to put on a little accent with this water decal and this stamper. So the way that you do that, you take your little decal and you sit it on here. You get you a brush, get it wet, and get your paper wet. Make sure it's real wet. And then you give this a moment and it's gonna start to release. I like to press mine down and then it'll slide away. And that's how you get your paper off. You dab it a little bit to get the excess water off of here. And then you can look down the barrel of it to see where you're placing it. Let's say we want ours here kind of in the corner. just roll it off gently. That's what we've got. And so we'll give that a moment to settle before we top coat it in. Okay, that is a cute one if I do say so myself. We're gonna go in with a little bit of top coat. Okay guys, so this is what we've got. Let's have a little look-see. I'd say not bad for my first go at spider gel, and I really like that we did decide to put this little accent on here. These are looking real cute. As per the usual, of course, we will get you some photos outside. You should be seeing those now. Let me know what you think. Do you like it? I like it. Have you used spider gel? Are you going to use spider gel after seeing this? If you know how to do fancy stuff with spider gel, let me know, and definitely leave me some photos, tag me in them on the socials so I can see what you've done. But that's really it. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your likes and your comments and your interaction. I definitely do appreciate it. Make sure you are subscribed. You want to be here for upcoming videos and giveaways. And that's really everything for today. So I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.